Hello, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ito yung astrological reading for you. This is for Capricorn. Ayan, i-check mo rin yung iyong sun sign, moon sign, and especially yung rising sign mo dahil maaaring ito yung magbigay ng messages for you. Okay, be sure to comment down below. At sobrang na-appreciate ko yun, no? Nagaganahan ako pagka may mga comments sa baba. Ayan. Tsaka nakakatulong kayo sa channel na mas mag-grow, of course, when you comment down. And mas maraming nakakapagpaabot or maraming naaabot itong ating video, no? Na, of course, that would help our channel grow. And yeah, let's start your reading. Capricorn, this is the Sun in Capricorn transit. So, nangyayari yon sa sign mo. So, this will be you being the center of attention. Marami ang makakapansin sa'yo and pwedeng ikaw. You know, lalo na doon sa mga, if you are like mga early degree Capricorns. So, pwedeng ang focus nito is spirituality, also whatever ending sa buhay mo, especially December year end na ito. So, you know, nandun na yung area ng life mo na ano ba mga dapat kong tapusin sa buhay ko, alisin sa buhay ko na hindi na helpful for me, especially sa year 2025. Of course, the new year, alam naman natin yan, it creates new beginning. So, ano yung mga magandang itapon na sa buhay mo, mga gamit, even things na hindi na nag-workout for you, career na parang feeling mo this is not no longer working for me. So, and kung hindi man ending completely pagbabago, ayan, with regards sa mga endings or sa buhay mo na alam mo yon na kailangan ng baguhin or ayusin. And of course, Capricorn, talagang ito magbibigay ng shine sa'yo itong time na ito. Mas mapapansin ka ng iba, mas mabibigyan ka ng, you know, like, a lot of people sa buhay mo. Makikita ka nila as someone na parang, um, they would admire you, definitely. They would admire you kung ano man yung mga transformation na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. Ia-admire at maa-admire ka talaga nila dyan, no? And pag nagkaroon na ng um, transit itong paglalapit nitong sun with the Pluto, the planet of transformation, and ito ay mga end ng January, you would feel the effect of this. So, pwedeng may mga ma-reveal or malaman kang sikreto. And it could be from a father or a father figure, or if not, pwede rin namang malamang sikreto ng iba. Okay, it's just learning about their secrets. Or magkaroon na naman tayo ng ending pagdating sa iyong money, finances. So, pwedeng magkaroon, because it's no longer serving you. But, of course, just, kapit ka lang. Kasi actually, whatever ending na mangyayari sa buhay mo, it will create a new beginning for you. And, just go with the flow. Alam mo yon, lahat naman ng ending is necessary talaga yan. Dahil maaring tapos na rin naman yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan dyan. So, Uh, yeah, just use this transit. Mas mapapansin ka ng marami if you want na um, mapansin, pagdating sa katawan mo, sa itsura mo, kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong baguhin, ayusin, pagandahin. Diyan, ayan, mas magagawa mo ito around this time. Ayan. If you want to attract love, first is alam ng mga Capricorns yan. First is to love yourself. Ayan. At don't overwork kasi tendency is that some few may is mag overwork around this time. Give time for yourself, relax, just enjoy your life, enjoy this new year and itong holiday natin ngayon. Ano. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.